Welcome to another Delft Stack tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through downloading Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Whether you are new to Linux or looking to upgrade, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type Ubuntu download. Now go to the first link and you will see the download button named Download 24.04 LTS. Click on that and the download begins. And that's it. We have successfully downloaded the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Remember to keep your system updated and explore the Ubuntu community for additional resources. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to the Delft Stack for more guides.